Hello everybody. I thought I would do an unboxing for you. This is a brand new club that Echo Park has come out with, and it is a bi-monthly, I believe. I will post all of the information below. I'm not associated with Echo Park in any way. I just happen to love Echo Park. I've done a lot when I resell things. I do a lot with Echo Park papers. They're just so gorgeous in the kits. And okay, so all I've done is I've cut this open, and then I went ahead and took out the info inside that had my name. Otherwise, it looks exactly like I haven't done anything with it other than that. Okay, so there's this little, I imagine, to keep it from moving around a lot. I've got a little York peppermint patty. That's cute. Flower market inspiration. So here's some inspiration pictures to go, sorry for the glare, to go with what you're getting. And then here are some directions to make. Here's a layout, a 12 by 12 layout. Looks like just one page layout. And here is the cutting list and all the directions for this Happy Day truck card. That's really cute. I hope you can see that. All right, so let's get a little gold seal on it. Open that up. It comes with these little enamel dots, and they are Cartabella Paper Company Flower Market. So this is all the Flower Market collection. Beautiful colors. I love those. And then here is a stamp set. I don't know if you can see it. I hope you can. But it's, you know, it's clear acrylics. It's kind of hard. It's got this gorgeous little truck with flowers in the bed. It's got, this love is separate from that, I'm pretty sure, from that wreath. Nope, it's all one piece. Okay. And then it says, enjoy, has another flower with a leaf. Looks like a bow. Thank you. A little tiny banner. And it's got some little tiny words. They say, bloom, friends, enjoy the little things. And then this is you make me happy, thanks. Another flower, little heart, another sprig of flowers. Really cute stamp set. And I will play around with these and let you know how they actually stamp. I wonder if I could put something behind this so you can kind of see it a little bit better. No, that doesn't help. Okay. Here's the Ephemera Pack. And it says 33 pieces. Let me open it up so you can get a look at everything. All the different ephemera. This one is a tag with a hole punched. They're all white on the back. Pretty. And this one you can punch the center out also. Fresh from the garden. Welcome. This aside as I'm doing them. There's another label. It's pretty. Bloom and grow. Love. Nature. Oh, there's that little truck on its own little tag. Flower garden. Thank you. That's pretty. And that is the same, well, no, it's not quite the same design, but it's very similar to what you have on that stamp. Oh, look at that little cart with the flowers. Like a little bicycle flower cart. It's pretty. These florals are gorgeous. I'm a sucker for a really gorgeous floral. The whole world is a garden. That's pretty. Beauty. This one says hello. Thank you. If you don't like to stamp or do a lot of work, you can put a card together pretty darn quickly with this. Nature, magical. This one's floral tag. This one says heavenly. See, what does that say? Oh, garden. That's pretty. Beauty. Poppies. Fresh bouquet, $5. Pretty. Wonderful. So many reasons why I love this. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, and this is Chipboard, and it looks like it's all in this one sheet, so you can get a good, let me move it around so you can get a good look at it. Let me move this light just a little bit farther up. Maybe that will help. Yeah, I think it did. Okay, so you've got the little cart there without the bicycle. You've got hello, a little yellow flower, some pots, naturally beautiful, another flower, grow, bloom, lovely. This is all one piece with the fruit. A little scale, welcome. Different floral elements. I love that. It says seeds on this little jar. That is cute. And then again, there's that same element that's on the stamp set. Really pretty. Flower garden, love. It's gorgeous. Okay, you get mono adhesive permanent. Looks like a refill, Tombow refill. Oh, it might be the whole thing. Wow. So you get the whole thing. Love that. Tombow. And it's a free sample, it says. Mono adhesive, permanent, acid-free, photo safe, Instant Start Quick Grab Adhesive. I don't know if it's the dot or the, it doesn't look like the dot, so I don't quite know that yet. All right, here is a paper pack. Let me grab a pair of scissors so I can open it up. Right there. Flower Market, 6x6. Oh, beautiful. And they're double-sided. Oh, look, one side has tags you can cut out on this one. Pretty floor, it looks like fleur-de-lis on the back, kind of. And again, these same elements just repeating over and over, and they are beautiful elements. I love the wood tone on that one. Remember to, and has lines. That is cute. Could do a little journal with this. There's so many possibilities. And I was at, I don't have it right near at hand, but I was at Target Dollar Spot the other day, and they had some little craft paper seed packets, and I was wanting to make sort of a little booklet for the next craft fair I go to, and wouldn't this paper be gorgeous for that, to have your seed packets inside. Oh, look at the back of that one. Gorgeous, gorgeous paper. And it looks like I'm going to get the same thing in the 12x12 also. This, let me go from the back till I meet up. This is, we're repeating some of them, is a lot. I think this kit was $29.99 and shipping was included. So, I mean, that is a great deal for this so far. Okay, the last item is the 12x12, and let me open it up and I'll get rid of this so we're not catching as much of the glare. And I'll show you each individual. You can tell right off the bat I've got a sticker sheet in the front. Yes, these are all stickers. Look at that banner. Oh, this is so pretty. And the peaches. There's that truck again, which I love. And look at these strips down here. And the bloom. Okay, the bloom is each individual piece. And then I've got another strip at the bottom. Really pretty. Gather, grow, bloom. I love that. Okay, so there's that. And I'm going to guess these are the same patterns. Okay, these have a texture to them. They are not smooth. They have a really cool texture. And I love that these look kind of watercolor. Really pretty. Oh, look at that for a scrapbook layout. For a 12x12 layout. That'd be gorgeous. And on the back, you get those strips. It's gorgeous. I can't wait to use this now, and I've got other things I need to get done first. I can't play with this yet. Daffodils, tulips, fresh peonies, flower crates, daffodils, poppies, tulips. Yeah, it just kind of repeats that. Oh, cute. Look at this one. I could see this one for a wedding layout too. Beautiful. My brother's getting married on the 8th of June. I'm traveling to the wedding, and one of the gifts I'm making them is a 12x12 shadow frame with some pictures and some beautiful background papers. So I hope they like it. They said no gifts, but I'm the sister, so I think that's okay, right? To go ahead and not listen to that at all. Oh, these colors. I know probably it's not doing the colors justice, but oh, I love this. I was hoping I'd get some big cards when I saw those small ones. You make me happy. Like I said, if you don't like to make cards, my goodness, you just cut this out, put it on the front of a card base. You are done. And they're all that same texture. Look at that. If you have a punch just a little bit bigger than that, we get a lot of use out of that one. Beautiful. So gorgeous. How many times have I said beautiful and gorgeous? Probably a lot. More cards. And this one's got a little, you could punch a hole there and do a tag out of it. It's the black stripe, and then that watercolor floral again. So this is the Cartabella Paper Company Flower Market. And Echo Park and Cartabella, you know, are the same. They're together. So I guess they have the same parent company. I don't know if Echo Park's the parent company. I don't really know how that works. But this is a lot. So you get this 12x12. How many sheets were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 double-sided plus this extra one that's the sticker sheet. And then you get this 6x6 pad, which is 24 double-sided. I bet there were 12 and I miscounted. It's probably 12 with that sheet. Then you get the chipboard set. You get the 33 pieces of the ephemera, which is a great deal. Get this little stamp set, and like I said, I'll let you know how this stamps once I get to try it. You get this little sample of the Tombow tape runner. You get these enamel dots. And then you get this little sheet with some examples of how you can use this and actual full instructions for 2 different projects. Oh, and don't forget about the candy. So this is, I think, a great deal for $29.99. I think they knocked it out of the park. This is the very first box that you can get. I will link below. I don't know if you ordered now, if you'd still get the May box or if it's sold out. I have no idea. But then July, there should be a new box. I think it's every other month. And you subscribe to it to get the deal, and one will come to you every other month. Really love this. Thanks so much for watching, everybody, and happy crafting.